Hello everyone, I hope we all are doing great. So today we will learn how we print right triangles. First, we will learn how we print right triangles using just stars, and then we'll go to these patterns. The logic behind these patterns are same. Okay, so let's dive into it. Before finding the pattern, we need to learn how computer prints anything. Suppose there are stars I am printing in a square, right? So this is a square of 4 into 4 stars, which looks something like this. What computer does is it goes from left to right printing each star, and when we want it goes top to down, again starting from extreme left, then it will go here, then here, and finally at the last line it goes from left to right and top to down. We can't do like this. We won't be printing pattern like this. So how can we print this pattern? We can do this using a for loop. For I in range, suppose we need 4 rows and 4 columns. For I in range this, and what will happen? We are running a loop. Then what we will do is we will make a nested loop. For j in range, it will go up to 5. Now what will happen is we are printing star here, and then let me explain up to this point. This will control the row and this will control the column. What I mean to say is this is I and this is j. First let's try to execute this code. I is 0, and then it will go inside it, and j will be 0. What I need to do is we need to print a star. The star is printed. Here there is one more sentence, it's end. We are ending it with nothing. We want control in the same line. Star is printed and the control goes here. Again we are still inside this loop, so the star will be printed 4 times. Now we want to go at the next line. How we can do this? We can use again a print function and printing nothing to print and to go to the next line. Then again here I will be 1, and counting of j will start again from 0. Now again it will go up to 1 2 3 4 and 5, not 5, only till 4. It will print the star again, then I will be again 2, star will be printed, and similarly this line will be printed. So now we understand how we can print a square using a simple nested loop. Now let's print our triangle. To print the triangle we need to understand the pattern behind it. What we know here is at first line there is only 1 star, then at second there are 2, at third there are 3, at fourth there are 4. Let's go up to this only. Here we can see I, this is I and this is j. What can be the relation between I and j? When I is 1, j is 1. When I is 2, j is 2. We can say I equals to j, right? How can we print this pattern? Again we will execute a nested loop. For I in range, let's say 5, and then a nested loop for j in range. We need to go up to I, right? When I was 1, j goes up to 1. When I became 2, then j went from 1 and then 2. Similarly, when I was 3, j went from 1, 2 and 3. So for j in range I, it will go up to I, right? And then we will print our star and end it with nothing. Let's see if our code is correct or not. So this is the code I have written. Let's try to execute it. We can see our pattern is printed. Let's see other patterns. If we change this asterisk to dollars, then same process will happen, but this symbol will be printed. Let's try to see a live example. Here I am changing this to dollar. What will happen now? We will get dollars in our pattern. Similarly, if I print I here, I'll get this pattern. Okay, we start from 0. So this is the answer we got. If I change this to j, I'll get this. I can go from 1 to I this time and I'll get this pattern. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Remember to keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.